Imagine trying to bake a single massive cake using 50 different recipes. It'd be a disaster. Yet this is exactly how multinational companies handle their ESG reporting. Different business units independently compile their environmental and social data. An office in Berlin might log energy use based on local rules, while a branch in Tokyo applies completely different definitions. When headquarters rolls these siloed figures into a single group-wide submission, the result is a mathematical Frankenstein. Regulators and ratings agencies easily spot these flaws. If your data doesn't align, they'll penalize you with worst-case risk estimates, severely damaging your investor trust. You can't just add up mismatched numbers. You need a pre-submission audit. That's where Speeki steps in. Speeki audits ESG data across every business unit before the final submission. They verify that the exact same methodology and definitions were applied consistently everywhere. By enforcing total alignment, Speeki transforms a fragile data patchwork into one rock-solid, audit-proof submission.